All right, guys, so let's jump right back into it. And we're looking at the statement of goods manufactured, or also known as the cost of goods manufactured. So I would like to say that this is a three-step process. When looking at this, it's kind of rough to look at. I'm not gonna lie, but take my word for it. It's better to work through this example than to explain it. But I do want to spend maybe a second here just kind of navigating for a second, and then we'll do an example together. Okay, so in the three-step process, first you need to determine the cost of materials used. That is the direct materials, right? And so if I'm looking here, remember, our goal is to create the income statement, but first we need to do the statement of cost of goods manufactured. So our first thing is to determine the cost of goods, the cost of materials used. That is direct materials, right? And then we need to determine the total manufacturing costs incurred, which is here. And then we can determine the cost of goods manufactured, which is here. Again, not very, very descriptive and very helpful at all. That's why I think it's very important that we go through examples. But what you need to make sure you remember is that in order for it to manufacture a good, you need three things, right? Three things to manufacture a product. You need direct material, you need direct labor, and you need factory overhead. Okay, so with that, let's just go ahead and dive into an example of the cost of goods manufactured. Now here's your example that I have provided you with. So if you are in the demonstration, what I would encourage you guys to do is maybe download this or follow along, keep it handy. I would also encourage you to keep the template handy so you can kind of walk by step, okay? So take a second, pause the video right now and read through all of this, and see if you can make sense of what it's saying, okay? And then we are gonna determine, are we gonna prepare the cost of goods manufactured statement as well as determine the cost of goods sold, okay? So get ready. I've already on the screen put up a synopsis of what you have and then also the template. So together we're going to work through this example.